to Sophie's Playdate.
Alright friends, we have the last layer of our L.O.L Surprise Sparkle Series. 6 more to open. And here is the 10 we already unboxed. So we are only missing Snuggle Babe and then one more Gold Boss Queen, which we are working on to get. Number 13 weighs 120.4 grams. And here is our ball, Unicorn Unbox Me Sparkle Series. And our code on here is 15319 MBE. What's our clue?
Glitter plus baby.
Oh, Sparkle Baby. Here's our clue, Sparkle Baby. And here is our checklist with the cheat sheet of all the weights and the color of the ball.
I've done it backwards.
Okay, we have a blue colored ball.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 bags. Oh, could this be, let's see. It could be Show Baby. Show Baby had 6 bags. So let's open up and see.
Oh, which bottle is this?
Show Baby! Yeah, that's right. That's Show Baby's bottle. Gold and pink.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so this is our duplicate, Show Baby.
Yeah.
There it is. There she is. Here is Show Baby. Number 14 weighs 123.2 grams. Ooh, I saw her clue.
Nope. It's sugar.
Sugar. Sugar and sparkle. Ooh, that one has a lot of bags. Let's see. Oh, Go Go Girl. Okay. Here is Go Go Girl in her full outfit and her bottle. Number 15. This one weighs 123.5 grams. I'll be opening this one for Sophie. Our clue reads, Starlight Star Bright.
One, two, three, four, five.
5 bags. Okay. What is it? You're looking for her? Oh, we have Dust. And here's Dust in her full outfit. Look at those eyelashes, and she has a teardrop right there. Number 16. It weighs 121.9 grams. Our clue is Sparkle Baby. Here's our sticker. Alright, come on. Snuggle Babe, where are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
5, okay. Yes, Snuggle Babe! There she is. We found our last one. So cute. I love her hair. Half black, half white with all that glitter. And she has pants on. So far, all of our dolls have no major defects. They look pretty good. Check out her cute nightgown and her eye mask. And we have a clear mason jar bottle. Snuggle Baby is fast asleep. She has her mask on. Since we have 2 left, I'm just gonna unbox and see what our duplicates are. So let's weigh this one. Number 17 weighs 122.3 grams. Okay, our clue is sugar and sparkle. Alright, let's see who our duplicate is. Alright, let's see who it is in here. You want to guess? My guess is unicorn. Her weight is very like unicorn.
Unicorn.
Oh, I was right. Oh my god. Woohoo. Yay, we get 2 unicorn in our full box. Woohoo. She's our favorite girl. So I love getting 2 of everything so that when Sophie plays with one, we have one for display. And here's our unicorn. She's so beautiful. I just love all this sparkle. And our last one for today, number 18, is 121.8 grams. Our clue is sugar and sparkle. Alright, so if you want to open it or you want mommy to open it?
You.
Okay, mommy will open this one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Okay, guess show baby or dust is gonna be. Okay, or even glance or not. Go, go, baby. Go, go, girl, actually. And here is our last go, go, girl. We got 3 of them. Wow, that is a lot. So we unboxed 2 today and we had 1 in our other video. Here's our collection. We have everyone except for Boss Queen. So we have here our Independent Queen, Unicorn, Glamstronaut, VR Cutie, Punk Boy, Feral Babe, Dawn and Dust, Snuggle Babe, Show Baby, and Go Go Girl. And here is the duplicates that we opened today. Here is my checklist. I have marked 2X on the one that we got twice, and then actually Go Go Go, we have 3 of her because we just opened her at the end. Well, that's it for this video, friends. If you liked it, make sure you give Sophie a
thumbs up. Subscribe to Sophie's Playdate.
So we unboxed our full box, just 1 box. Got everyone except for 1 gold Boss Queen. I hope this hack will help you guys find who you need to get. That's it for this video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.